Today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your WordPress app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here. You will find apps, click on it. You come to this list here and you will looking here for WordPress app or just click on search, add here your WordPress. You will find it like this. You click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK, then you go down, you click on storage, you come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.